Good morning, world. Day 2 after picking up the Camaro. 16-hour drive. Here we go. There she is. What do you think that is, G? Go look at it. Go.
Okay, I'll go out there.
Come on, let's go take a look.
Wow. No, you literally bought that.
I bought it, baby.
I bought that thing.
Look at it. It's bigger than you, baby. You can
Yes, I'm just this small.
you can fit in those tires.
I'm just this small and
Yeah.
that's big. When I get bigger, I could drive that thing.
Yes, you will. It's gonna be yours. I promise you, I will not sell it on you.
You won't?
Nope, this is your car.
Or your grandpa won't sell it on you?
When you get, Grandpa's not allowed to touch it
Why?
because he won't come over and see me.
See it? Because your mom doesn't want to come over. Your mom?
Look at it! Oh my God, I can't believe it's here. Look at the spider. Look at how big that spider is.
That spider web.
You see him?
How did your spider web?
Wow! He went underneath there. That's
How
scary. Oh no.
What?
That means that guy's under there.
How did the spider web get there?
I don't know.
You're going to kill